Hey everyone, welcome back to another MeekFro video. Today I am just talking to you guys about my crochet faux locks that I have in currently. I was really debating on if I wanted to do a video on these or not. First things first, you guys can tell that I am tapered, well shaved all the way around my head. Nothing new, just letting you guys know that before I get to explaining and reviewing this style. So if you follow me on TikTok, you did see that I extended these crochet locks. They are 18-inch Bobbi Boss new locks in the color 27. I did the extended method, made them longer, and this is not my first time trying the extended crochet faux lock method at all. I do have a video showing you guys how to exactly extend your crochet locks if you like. The only difference is in the newer video on TikTok, I actually use nail glue, okay? Super glue, nail glue works fine. In my older video, I used a lighter. So yeah, I actually recommend glue. So these are pre-looped crochet locks, you know, your normal crochet faux locks. And I just simply did the braid in method. I just pretty much used the lock as my third strand of a braid, just braided them in individually. I did not use the crochet method, okay? I just braided them in individually. If you'd like to know what that looked like, you could look at that same video where I did the extended locks before. And yeah, I show you exactly how to install the crochet extended locks individually with the braid in method. So now I'm just showing you guys exactly how long they are after I extended these locks. Keep in mind they were 18 inches at first, and now look how long they are after I extended. Super lightweight hair. I know that's the first question people have. These crochet locks were already light to begin with. Even when adding the locks on the end to extend them, still super light. Love them, no exaggeration at all. Super light. The Bobbi Boss new locks have, you know, been around for quite a while, and this is my first time actually trying the brand, so they are just pleasing to look at. Like, look how cute they are. Yeah, they have a little shine, but I mean, you can overlook that. Mainly, you know, with blonde locks, the shine is really going to kind of show up, you know. But the older they get, like, I'm really like enjoying them. So let us talk about how many packs I used. Okay, so keep in mind, I do have tapered sides all the way around. So for tapered sides, you need approximately 2 to 3 packs of crochet locks. Like this, let's say if you're installing the crochet locks traditionally or individually, you're gonna need at least 2 to 3 packs to finish your head. Yes, so however many you need for your head, you're gonna want to double that number. Okay, so I needed approximately 4 packs of hair. You know, traditionally I would just need 2 packs for the top of my head. So since we extended them, we needed an extra 2 packs to add on to the end of the other 2 packs. This hair was not hard to work with at all. I mean, the loop, the pre-loop of the crochet lock could have been formed a little better. I know it was a little annoying, but I mean, you didn't bother anything, you know. It was pretty much easy to work with, but I think the loop of the lock could have been more, what's the word, precise, maybe. But yes, these locks are super easy to style, super flexible. More like, you know, the soft faux locks. Very, very soft hair, not rough at all. Synthetic, of course. And you guys already know, if I were to do some regular faux locks with this length, the hair would be super heavy. What I mean by regular faux locks is, you know, braiding your hair with braiding hair, then going back and wrapping with more braiding hair or marley hair of some kind. Long process, but with the crochet locks, you know, it saves you a little time. I wasn't a fan of crochet locks, kind of like a couple years ago I wasn't, but since the crochet faux lock business has been thriving, you guys, I've been finding crochet locks that I actually would not mind wearing. And, you know, quicker, much quicker. So here I'm just showing you guys exactly how I sleep in my faux locs. I just love how easy these locks are, like, to style, y'all. It's just so lightweight and flexible and soft. So I just kind of wrap it up in the bun, and then I just pretty much get a scarf and then just tie a turban around my locks. But that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thumbs up this video for me, please. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded, okay? Okay? See you in the next video. Bye.
Pretty girls got dreams, pretty girls got goals, pretty girls on that lean list. Hey, hey, pretty girl.